Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So I still believe this is an ABC correction right here, which is actually part of an ABC of Y. Just like this is three waves up for the W, three waves down for the X, and three waves up for the wave Y. I think it's going to go all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels, most likely take out these highs. It looks something like that before we really do get that bigger push to the downside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we've definitely been going down very strong pretty much all year, but I still think this is an uptrend. I still think it's a wave one. I still think this push down is a wave two. I think at some point here, it is going to turn back up and make a three, a four, and a wave five, which I still think this is a one, two, three, four, five of wave C, because a wave C of wave Y should be a trend, just like the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A was a trend also. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I really am not convinced that this is actually over. I actually think there's a good chance that it will continue down all the way to the 78% before we actually get this end of a correction. I still think this first push up is a one. I still think we're currently in a wave two, and I think it's going to take some sort of a big fundamental event for this to end the correction and continue up for a wave three. And we really don't have any big dollar news this week, which is one of the major reasons why I don't think this is going to end the correction this week, and that it probably is going to keep on drifting down towards that 78%. And maybe in a week or two is when it actually does end up continuing the uptrend and ending this wave two and beginning a big wave three. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I definitely am looking for shorts right now, and honestly, I am actually already short on this one anyways. I do kind of feel like this is an A, a B, and a C correction. It definitely looks like it's making a lower high, lower high. I am definitely very bearish until the market tells me otherwise. I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames because of the reasons that I was just explaining on the daily time frame. So taking it all the way down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely got impulsive up with a break of structure, which is a great sign. Looks like a wave A. We definitely got a little bit of a corrective move down. Looks like a wave B. A nice impulsive move to the upside, wave C, right to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. I suspect that this is already the end of a correction and that this is probably already heading back down. Like I was explaining on the daily time frame, I am definitely looking for shorts until the higher time frames like the 4 hour and preferably the daily give me a reason to believe that this wave two is over. I definitely don't think the wave two is over yet, so I'm definitely going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames at the end of ABC pullbacks for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.